If you've shopped online, chances are you've bought from a business powered by Shopify. You know that purple Shop Pay button you see at checkout, the one that makes buying so incredibly easy? That's Shopify. And there's a reason so many businesses sell with it, because Shopify makes it incredibly easy to start and run your business. Shopify is the commerce powerhouse behind 10% of all e-commerce in the US, from household names like Mattel and Gymshark to brands just getting started. So get your own brand online with hundreds of beautiful, ready-to-go templates and forget about the coding. Tackle your tasks in one place, from inventory to payments to analytics, and get the word out with built-in marketing and email tools to find and keep new customers. That purple Shop Pay button that's used by millions of businesses around the world is just one reason Shopify has the best converting checkout on the planet. If you want to see less carts being abandoned, it's time for you to head over to Shopify. Sign up for your $1 per month trial and start selling today at shopify.com/DCR. Go to shopify.com/DCR. That's shopify.com/DCR.
Are you interested in effortlessly growing your Bitcoin portfolio? I sure am. The Bitcoin Credit Card by Gemini earns you Bitcoin back on every purchase. Use it like any credit card. Buy lunch, gas, or your weekly groceries, and you'll earn up to 4% back instantly in Bitcoin or one of over 50 other cryptos straight to your account. All that with no annual fee. And right now, you can grab a $200 Bitcoin welcome bonus. It's the easiest way to start building your Bitcoin stack. Go to Gemini.com/card to learn more. Terms apply. See the link in the description for more information regarding rates and fees. Issued by WebBank. To qualify for the $200 crypto intro bonus, you must spend $3,000 in your first 90 days. Some exclusions to instant rewards apply. This is not investment advice, and trading crypto involves risk. Check Gemini's website for more details on rates and fees.
It's 8 a.m. Eastern, October 1st, and this is your daily crypto report. Bitcoin is up 3% at $116,879. ETH is up 3% at $4,303. XRP is up 2% at $2.93. Digital CEO Sam Tabar is warning that secured debt could wipe out digital asset treasury firms in a downturn. He says DATs should avoid secured loans and instead use unsecured debt to protect against creditors seizing assets when prices drop. Earlier this week, Digital announced an upsized $135 million senior unsecured convertible notes offering with a 4% annual interest rate paid semi-annually. Tabar said debt is powerful for growing crypto exposure, but stressed that the wrong type of leverage can very easily kill a company. Digital has shifted from Bitcoin mining to focus on Ethereum staking and treasury management following Michael Saylor's playbook of raising funds through convertible notes. As of late August, the firm held about 121,252 ETH worth around $522 million. Digital also retains a 71% stake in Whitefiber, an AI company that raised $159 million in its August IPO and has gained 77% since listing. Tabar said combining ETH holdings with Whitefiber exposure puts the company in the best position, but warned that that's reliant on secured debt are going to be destroyed in a bear market. Metaplanet has become the fourth largest publicly traded Bitcoin holder after buying 5,268 BTC for about $623 million, bringing its total to 30,823 BTC. The purchase was made at an average price of $118,328 per coin. This follows a $632 million Bitcoin purchase in September, the company's biggest buy so far. Metaplanet also reported Q3 revenue of $16.5 million, up 116% from Q2, and said the results show strong scalability as it prepares a preferred share issuance to support its Bitcoin strategy. The company recently announced plans to raise $1.4 billion through a 385 million share sale, with funds going toward more Bitcoin purchases. Its board also approved a new U.S. subsidiary, Metaplanet Income Corp, to expand into Bitcoin income generation through derivatives and related activities. Well, Ethereum and Bitcoin spot ETFs pulled in over $1 billion of net inflows on Monday. Ethereum ETFs led with $547 million after 5 straight days of outflows, while Bitcoin ETFs added $522 million. Fidelity's Ethereum fund drew $202 million, and BlackRock's ETHA took in $154 million, bringing total Ethereum ETF assets to $27.5 billion, about 5% of Ethereum's market cap. On the Bitcoin side, Fidelity's FBTC led with $299 million, followed by ARKB at $62 million. BlackRock's IBIT was the only outflow, losing $47 million. The 12 Bitcoin ETFs now hold $150 billion, roughly 7% of Bitcoin's market cap. The surge in inflows comes as crypto markets recover from a September pullback. And finally, K33 says Bitcoin enters October on shaky ground as China's Golden Week and the U.S. government shutdown weigh on liquidity and delay key data releases. Historically, Bitcoin trades flat or negative during this Asian holiday lull, with Asian hours consistently underperforming U.S. and European sessions since 2021. Year-to-date returns during Asian trading are down 10%, while most upside has come during U.S. hours. The U.S. shutdown adds to the uncertainty by halting jobs and inflation reports, leaving thinner order books and raising the risk of erratic moves. Bitcoin closed September up 5%, but derivatives show caution with CME open interest at 5-month lows, funding rates below neutral, and options tilted toward puts. Heavy leverage in perpetual swaps leaves markets vulnerable to sharp swings. That's all for us today. Visit us at dailycryptoreport.io and listen to us everywhere else you podcast under Daily Crypto Report.
What does it mean to live for the common good? Introducing the Garrison Institute presents The Common Good, the brand new podcast from the Garrison Institute, a leading not-for-profit organization exploring the intersection of contemplation and engaged action in the world. Hosted by me, Jonathan F.P. Rose, a co-founder of the Garrison Institute, the series dives into the threads that bind us all. First, you'll discover the interdependent nature of life with environmental entrepreneur Paul Hawken and trailblazing plant intelligence researcher Monica Gagliano. Next, we unlock the mysteries of the mind with renowned psychiatrist Dan Siegel and Pulitzer Prize-winning author Siddhartha Mukherjee. Finally, we experience compassion and action with social justice activist Conda Mason and environmental leader Bill McKibben. We invite you to listen, reflect, and join us in acting for the common good. Follow the Garrison Institute presents The Common Good on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you are listening now.